let me show you what we have today in the workshop. We have this beautiful brand new car, Lotus Eletre, and the customer brought it in to have the security upgraded. Of course, any car comes with factory fitted security, but the customer did not want to take any chances and wanted to have an extra layer of security. And what we did on it, we've installed a Ghost Immobiliser. Now, before I'll show you how it works on this car, I want to give you a few stats about the car. So this fully electric car, it has an autonomy of about 300 miles, 0 to 60 about 4.5 seconds, and the brakes horsepower about 600. So it seems quite powerful, with a price tag of around £90,000. Now, it does look nice on the outside. It looks nice on inside. Let's get inside and see how the Ghost works on it. Now, let's open the car. Look, this is the key. Definitely looks interesting, and it doesn't look like a key that we've seen before. It works as a remote, and there is also a keyless technology built into it. Come inside to see how the Ghost works here. Now, I said the car is brand new, and even when the customer got it, he wanted to secure it straight away, and he did so with this steering wheel bar. We've seen so many times they don't do much protection because that it's easily to be bypassed. Now, how the Ghost works on this Lotus. Now, you come inside the car, and you don't have a switch button to turn the ignition on and off, and the ignition comes on straight away. You just have to press the brake and select the transmission. However, when you try to do so, the transmission is not changing. This is currently because the Ghost is immobilizing the transmission. So now the Ghost is activated, transmission cannot be engaged even if you have the key. How do we disable the Ghost? Now, for the video purpose, we put just a generic code. Basically, we're pressing 6 times the unlock button. We're gonna hear a sound, twice beep. That will be the confirmation the code has been recognized, and that moment the transmission will be enabled to select any gear. So let's disable the Ghost. You're gonna hear a signal. Okay, that was the confirmation the code has been recognized, and now we can select the transmission. The vehicle is ready to be driven. This code, it was just a generic code. We'll change it after the video, and we can have a code from 4 to 20 presses, and we can use different buttons inside the car. So I said on other previous video about the Ghost and how it operates, pretty secure, nearly impossible for anyone to guess this code. Now, also what to add, the system activates automatically when the vehicle is locked. So the ignition has to be turned off to get activated. So this is the way the Ghost operates on this beautiful car, and this Lotus Eletre is now secured with the Ghost Immobiliser.